world is turning, changing each day. With mommy and daddy, I'm finding my way. Growing up is not so tough, except when I've had enough. But there's lots of fun stuff.
Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination, and when he's tall, he's what we call a dinosaur sensation.
This is why we all probably have a Caillou in our lives. Caillou is evil. Every time I look at him, I think he's evil. Look what he does to his little sister.